Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add new buildings to your town on the Township application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my township, and new, click to the lower button at the lower right corner of the screen, and here you can check the store and you can select different buildings. For example, housing, decoration, special, factories, farming. You go to the, for example, the special. Okay, I don't have that. Factories, click that, and if you want to these things to your farm, click to the OK button and you can buy it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.